Hello everyone, this is Parnia and I'm here to present Huma's Embrace Copper Rhythms of Feminine Grace, a necklace that explores the celebration of diverse feminine beauty through the lens of Persian mythology and contemporary societal challenges. My primary material is copper, which I've chosen for its rich cultural associations, malleability, and ability to develop various patinas. This necklace relates the Huma bird from Persian mythology to the diverse features of women's bodies and faces, exploring concepts of transformation and grace. Copper, an ancient metal with a history intertwined with human advancement, offers unique affordances. Its malleability allows for texturing, while its ability to develop patinas enables a spectrum of orange hues related to the Huma bird. Copper's durability speaks to women's resilience, while its conductivity symbolizes the warmth and energy of feminine power. The social materiality of copper in this context challenges perceptions of value and beauty as well, using copper in this piece transform it from an everyday material into a symbol of beauty and strength. In Persian lore, the Huma bird is a compassionate creature that never touched the ground, spending its life soaring high above the earth. It symbolizes fortune, grace, and freedom. This mythical bird's symbolism is connected to the necklace's core message. Just as the hummingbird sees value in all it flies over, this piece encourages women to recognize the beauty in their unique features. This necklace asserts that every aspect of a woman's appearance contributes to her individual allure and should be embraced with confidence. I'm gonna talk about my concept after the process part. The process of my work has 7 steps, as you can see in the slide. I started by sewing the rectangle and circle patterns on the 0.7 mm thick copper and used the emery or sandpaper to make them clean and smooth. After that, I annealed all my pieces to increase the malleability for giving them textures by rolling mill. As I showed in the Assessment 1 experiments, with different fabric patterns, the use of chasing tools and brass wire. For the next step, I doomed the circles into half bowl shapes and I drilled 1 mm holes in the right locations to allow me to connect the components. Before assembly, I put all the parts in the pickle bath to clean them for riveting. I started riveting with 1 mm copper wire to connect all the components together in the right places and used the emery pepper to clean the half bowls and use the flame in different intensity to make spectrum orange hues. And do the blue patinas with chemical reactions between ammonia, vinegar, and salt for 12 hours. And for the green patina, in one of my pieces, I used the indirect flame by heating the block under the blue patinated layer. In the end, for color preservation of the patinas, I used Renaissance wax to fix the color and assemble all parts to a 3 mm copper wire with jumper rings. This is the final look of my necklace, as you can see in the slide. The color palette of the necklace is directly inspired by descriptions of the Huma bird in Persian stories, where it's often described in shades of orange or reddish copper. So I use various flame patina techniques to achieve a spectrum of orange hues on the copper. The diverse shades symbolize different features that make each woman unique. The necklace's layer design represents the multifaceted nature of feminine beauty. Each layer is textured using a rolling mill inspired by features often considered as flaws in modern society. The texture inspired of wrinkles, different skin textures, and hook nose. By emphasizing these characteristics through texture, it wants to celebrate the diversity of feminine features. And half bowl shapes on the layers serve both a functional and symbolic purposes. At the end, I must mention that Huma Embrace uses copper to bridge mythology and modern challenges, embodying the transformative power of acceptance and the celebration of diversity. It aims to foster a sense of unity among women and a shared responsibility in redefining beauty standards, contributing to a more inclusive and empowering world. These are my references, and thanks